Being an owner of a True Value store is rewarding work and always something to be proud of. And being an owner of a state-of-the-art factory that makes EasyCare products for your store and serves your local community, that's also something to be proud of. No other wholesale distributors or co-ops own their own paint factory. This gives True Value Manufacturing a key competitive advantage in today's marketplace. Your premium EasyCare paint, stains, sprays, and their master painter applicators have been made in Cary, Illinois in the same factory since 1976. So we know we do it right. Take a closer look at your True Value Manufacturing paint factory. Whether it's EasyCare latex paints, oil-based paints, aerosols, applicators, or chemical cleaning supplies, True Value Manufacturing is your remarkable comprehensive paint manufacturing partner. For pigment dispersion and formulation, 40 mixing tanks from 750 to 6,000 gallons in capacity produce paints to exact EasyCare specifications. And when the batches are mixed and ready, 3 automatic lines fill gallons, a separate line fills quarts, and another fills 5-gallon pails. But that's not all. True Value has 8 grind tanks with 13,000 gallons of capacity, not to mention 30 letdown tanks and 110,000 gallons of working capacity in latex manufacturing tanks. And where is it all housed? In True Value's 600,000 square foot state-of-the-art facility. And for all your additional paint products, True Value manufactures and packages rollers, brushes, and tray sets, meeting any quality standard from professional grade to do-it-yourself basic. And controlling it all, a sophisticated relay logic system. This system precisely directs the flow of raw materials and finished goods along 1,000 different paths through valves, pipes, meters, and pumps. For quality assurance to meet, if not exceed, industry and customer standards, 7 labs are on site for research, development, maintaining safety protocols, and color and quality control. And True Value Manufacturing delivers just that. Top quality and performance that meets or exceeds those of national brands. With over 300 associates working in 6 buildings and offices, customer service is second to none. We have staff and technology for every step of the process, from ordering to shipping and tracking. Not to mention, True Value Manufacturing is one of the top employers in the McHenry County community. Finally, to deliver it all, products are automatically palletized, wrapped, and loaded for immediate shipping, or stacked and warehoused for ordering as needed. EasyCare quality products for priming, painting, staining, sealing, cleaning, applying, and more. True Value Manufacturing does it all in Cary, Illinois. Proud and excited to be making paint for 100 years because we do it right. That's True Value Manufacturing.